Rob Rachmaninoff.
YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Down1914 here to host another sneaker review. So for this review, I'm pretty excited. Tell by the thumbnail and the title that we're reviewing the Babani's 1.0. So this is his signature shoe. He had other, I guess, collabs with Adidas, but they've been on Adidas like already silhouettes that Adidas already had, and they just put Bad Bunny on it and kind of morphed it a little bit. But this is his first actual official signature shoe. So this is 1.0. This is the OG. So we're gonna be reviewing the colorway he wore at the Super Bowl. So I'm excited to see this pair and get into this review. So let's go ahead and crack the box open. If you're an OG returning to the channel, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you. If you're a new member or this is your first time watching the video, welcome. Over here we review fits and kicks, and if you went to that, you're in the right place. Welcome. Let's go ahead and get this open. And I will say Adidas shipping super fast, man. I copped these on man, what day was that? I'm gonna put it up. If you follow me on Instagram at Down1914, you would have seen my story that I posted that I actually copped. I believe it was like what's today? Today Wednesday. I believe it was Monday morning on Adidas. They dropped on a couple other sites, but I copped on Adidas, and Adidas actually got these out within 2 days, so that was pretty cool. So let me go ahead and pop out the shoes. Nothing else in the box. Slide that over. All right, cool. So here they are. So a couple of things on the box. This is a pretty cool box. So on the front of the box, it has Adidas Power by Bunny, and that just means Adidas for Bad Bunny, I believe. I'm pretty sure. And then we have a little sticker here, and it has Spring 2026, has the Adidas symbol, modelo, which is model, specifications, everything, color. We got chalk white, metallic. So that's on the front of the box right there. Hopefully that's coming in nice and clear. And let's see here, right here on the front of the box, we got Adidas, and then it has de Puerto Rico. It has Para El Mundo. So I believe that means from Puerto Rico to the world. So correct me if I'm wrong. If my Spanish is a little off, correct me down in the comment section down below, but I believe that's what that means. So as you can see, Adidas right here in those poked out holes, and then right there at the top, that's where I was reading from. So hopefully that's coming in clear, so you can see that. All right, cool. Yeah, we got some other branding, and then it actually reads, so the actual name of the shoe, I believe, is Resilience, but if you go on Adidas website, it says, and it says here on the box, it says Badbo 1.0. It's a US men's 9.5, a women's US 10.5. So it reads chalk white metallic. That's pretty much what it reads. So here's the thing. Now I'll show you the shipping label real quick. See, that's coming in clear. All right, so here's the thing. Y'all know my true to size is a 10, 10.5, right? Adidas, growing up, I didn't have too many pairs of Adidas, but I did have enough pairs. I was mainly a Nike boy, Jordan boy, but I did have Adidas. I had the Adidas Forms and a couple other Adidas that I liked. And it was funny, so back in the day, man, the 80s, you would come home, you would take your good shoes off and you put your play shoes on. If y'all, any OGs out there know what I'm talking about, your mom always told you, hey, make sure you got your play shoes on. Don't go out there in your good school shoes. So mainly, most of the time I would have some like beat up Nikes or Adidas that I will put on and go play. So, and I do have a couple pair of Adidas in my collection, but so I said all that to say this, that's not my size. What I did was when I went on, I got too scared, man. I was rushing, I was nervous, and because I wanted these real bad since the first time I saw them. And I just clicked the button. I clicked the button, thought I was getting a 10.5, and there were two sides. It said men and women's. I was on the women's selection, and that's how I got this 9.5. So I'm gonna still throw them on feet. I don't know if they're gonna be too small, probably, but I'm gonna still throw them on feet, give you an on feet look, things of that nature. But luckily, Shoe Palace, they were sitting for a little bit on Shoe Palace. So I was able to go on Shoe Palace and actually get a size 10, which is my, you know, regular to the size pretty much. And, you know, they'll be here shortly. So these will probably go up on my eBay. So again, eBay is the same, Don1914. Those watched the last video, I put a little snippet of my eBay. I can put it up now, but that's my handle on eBay, Don1914. Got some nice shoes on there right now if you're looking to cop. I'm downsizing my collection. So it's got this weird sticker here that says, okay, so inspection sticker. And then here it has the same logo that I just showed you on the box right there in the inside of the box. All right, it does come with a bag, which is nice touch. These retail at $160, by the way, so that's a nice price. Not too bad. Again, it has that Adidas Power Bad Bunny, and it has the Adidas sign right here at the top, and that light blue, the same color as almost like the box. So hopefully I'm showing that. And then on the bottom, it has like stitching right here, which is on the shoe, which I'll show you in a minute. But yeah, pretty cool. We love little extras, man. Gotta love extras. And both of the shoes come wrapped up in a waxy type of paper. Go ahead and bring those out. Cool. Get both of those out. Nothing else in the inside of the box. That's enough of the box. Let's get into the kicks. All right, cool. So here you have them, man. It's pungent, a pungent smell. So here they are. Badbo Resilience 1.0 Bad Bunnies. Tell me what you think. I'm gonna see if I can put that light down a little bit. This might be whitening it out, but here they are, man. So let me just take a look at them. Yeah, man, I love the shape, man. This shape just reminds me of like shoes we used to cop back in the late 80s, early 90s, man. It kind of has a shape of almost like a Jordan 3 shape, in my opinion. But you know, I do love the shape on it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the review of the Babanis 1.0s, man. Resilience. All right, so let's get into it. I turned the light down just a little bit just so you can get a good, you know, idea of what the color looks like. So let's start with the outsole. So on the outsole, you got this like milky outsole. I wouldn't really call it like translucent, but it's just a milky outsole. You have the Adidas logo right there in the corner of the outsole. Moving up to the midsole, I like that contrast of how that milky outsole hits off of this chalk white right here on the actual midsole. So the outsole and then the midsole. Now when I'm looking at this design on the side, I really like this design on the side, but I'm looking at, you know what this reminds me of, what it looks like? So you see the 3 hits off the top of the Adidas sign? The 1, 2, 3 right there, the hits off the top, the 2 points. That's what that kind of looks like. And you know, instead of the 3 stripes, they just, you know, they just replaced it with those 3 hits. That definitely looks like the top points of the Adidas sign, in my opinion. I could be wrong, but that's what it looks like to me. You know, I just love the design of the shoe, man. It's pretty dope, man. So it's a couple different materials we're working with here as we move to the upper of the shoe. So right here, it's kind of like a smooth suede right here on the tan part. And then right here on this like light grayish part right here, it's kind of a rough suede right here. You can see that. And then in the inside right here, this is like a nice smooth like nubuck right here on these 3 hits right here on the upper mid of the shoe. Now, yeah, this is nice material too. Of course, you're not going to see really any like change of direction motion, but trust me when I tell you, this material is real nice, man. Let me put the tag away so it's not in the way. Yeah, real nice. And these tags, let me see which one says, okay, you got the sizing tag, and then you got the name of the shoe. So that's basically what the tags are right here. Let me see if I can show you real quick. Yep. It come with standard rope laces, which I like. They're already pre-laced, so you don't have to worry about lacing them up. Rope laces. The toe box is nice. You got perforated holes on each side of the toe box right here in the corners. Right there in the toe box, which is dope. Medial side, just like the lateral side, you got those 3 hits again. Right there, inside of the shoe. And then the tongue is like it's like a soft, like smooth padded material. The tongue going all the way down. And the stitching that was on the bag, they put the stitching right here on the front of the tongue, if you can see right here. Now, comment in the comment section down below. I don't know what this stitching is supposed to represent, but it's just a stitching. So, you know, Bad Bunny likes using, you know, like metaphors and things to symbolize, you know, his home country and just the culture of Puerto Rico. And so I think this may mean something. I'm not sure. So if you know what this means, comment in the comment section down below. Let me see here. What else we got? Got extra pair of spare laces right here. And actually looking at the shoe, they're slightly darker than what the laces look like in the shoe. It's slightly darker. So let me see if I can hold them both up so you can see. It's slight darker. And actually, I mean, you can wear either one, man, either one. So the best I can describe it, it's kind of like on the side of the shoe right here, on the rough hairy suede. That's the type of gray it looks like to me. So you can really you can wear it either or, in my opinion. I think I'm gonna just keep it, you know, OG with the laces that came in the shoe. And on the tip of the laces, it comes on the ones that are laced up in the shoe, and the extra pair of laces, it says Badbo right here on the lace tips. So I don't know if you can see that, but that's what it has on the lace tips. And let's see here, what else we got? Let me pull that inside out of there. Definitely comes with shoe paper. And then the inside, it has the same thing that was on the box. Adidas Power Bad Bunny, which is Adidas for Bad Bunny, right there in the insole. Nice. It's black insole. And then this part right here is like double layer. It's almost like a booty. Like you got this part lifting up, and then in the inside you can see you got extra layer of protection right here, or padding inside the shoe. So you can actually stick your finger right there in the hole. So that's probably added comfort. I do like that design. It's pretty cool. And on the back, we have the blue circle with a star, looks like a star inside, and that's supposed to represent Puerto Rico, but I'm not sure, you know, what exactly it's supposed to represent. So again, in the comment section down below, let us know what that means. But from my research, that's supposed to represent, you know, Puerto Rico. I'm not sure what. I don't know if it's the star that's on the flag, or I'm not sure. I don't want to go, you know, making up stuff. So just let us know if you know what that symbolizes. And on the back, you have another padded nubuck type of material going around that hit on the back, nice and smooth. And then yeah, that's pretty much it, man. That Adidas sign right there on the heel, it's fire. I love the placement of that. Dope shoe, man, dope. So that's the review. Tell me what you think in the comment section down below. How do you feel about this pair? They did sell out. Some smaller sizes have been restocking here and there, I've seen today. But you know, if you want this pair, you definitely have to go on the secondary market to grab them. They're not going too much over retail. I've seen for this size and a size 10, it was about, I think about 220, 230 I've seen. I don't know if it's went up since then, but that's what you're looking at. And if you want this pair, again, I'm going to try it on for the on foot, but if you want this pair, go to my eBay. That's Don1914. And these should be on there because I'm pretty sure these are going to be too small for me. I'll wait for my size 10 to get there. And yeah, I like this pair a lot, man. I like this shoe, man. I love the design. I love the silhouette. You know, what it means to the culture, the Puerto Rican culture. Bad Bunny, he's on fire right now. Just did the Super Bowl, won Grammys. I'm eager to put these on feet. Let me stop rambling on, and we're going to go ahead and get into that. So I appreciate it if you stay to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share the channel, and we're going to hop into this on foot into the next video. I'm out.
Dying one.
Rob. Rachmaninoff.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Done one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.